Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to be looking at how to get backlinks without outreach. Most link building advice revolves around outreach emails, pitches, follow ups, guest posts. But here's the truth some of the best backlinks come without outreach at all. They happen naturally when your content is positioned the right way. In this lesson, we'll break down how to earn backlinks passively using strategies most SEO overlooks. Firstly, you have to make people want to link without asking. Instead of chasing links, the goal is to create situations where people link to you naturally. This happens when your content becomes useful, referenceable, or necessary. Strategy number one, you need to rank for link intent keywords. Some keywords naturally attract backlinks. These are queries where people are writing articles, doing research, and looking for sources. Examples are statistics, trends, examples, case studies. If you rank here, writers will find and cite you automatically. So if you are writing about an industry, let's say SEO, you rank for phrases like SEO statistics, SEO trends, SEO data, SEO examples, and you can build a link building machine for yourself. Strategy number two, publishing original data or insights. Nothing attracts links like original information. Examples are surveys, internal data, industry benchmarks. When people need proof or numbers, they link to the original source. Strategy number three, create reference level content. Some content gets bookmarked and reused constantly. Examples ultimate guides, definitions, frameworks, checklists. If your content becomes a go to reference, links happen naturally over time. Strategy number four is to build free tools or calculators. Tools are highly linkable because they provide utility, solve problems instantly, and are easy to reference. For example, calculators, generators, and simple tools are examples of what I'm talking about. People link to tools more than blog posts. Strategy number five, be first on emerging topics. When a new trend appears, very few resources exist. Writers need sources. If you publish early, you become one of the only linkable references. Timing alone can earn backlinks. Strategy 6, you need to create visual assets people reuse. Examples infographics, charts, diagrams. Writers often reuse visuals, embed them in articles, and credit the source with a backlink. Strategy number 7, you need to build brand mentions that turn into links. The stronger your presence, the more people mention you, the more natural links appear. This comes from content consistency, visibility, authority. Links become a byproduct of recognition. Now, you need a long term strategy with this. The reality is that this is slower but stronger. These strategies don't give instant backlinks, but they scale over time and also require less manual effort and produce higher quality links. It's a long term strategy, not a quick hack. Now, here are your key takeaways: attract links, don't chase them. The best backlinks come when your content is too useful to reference, and also if you solve problems, provide value, become a source, links will come without outreach. Now, at the beginning of your SEO journey, yeah, you can do outreach to get yourself up there. But the truth of the matter is that the aim is to get to a point where your site does not need outreach. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.